Hey guys, so today I'm gonna just do a quick tutorial video on how to take a photo like this and turn it into this using two free apps. This is an example of some other photos that I've done using the same preset. If you like the preset or you like my photos, please follow me on Instagram at Sheridan Hackland and drop me a message if you're interested in buying any of my presets. So first of all, we're going to open up Lightroom Mobile. Here's my photo I shoot in RAW, and I'm just going to bring the exposure down a little bit, and then I'm going to bring the contrast down a little bit as well, and the highlights all the way down. So yeah, I'm going to stop talking and you can follow along. Oh man, this is my least favorite part of editing photos, is the color curves, because I don't really know what I'm doing. I just know that I'm playing around with the highlights, the mids and the shadows and all the different color channels. But if you are like me and you don't like playing around with color curves, you can just buy the preset. Shameful plug. So after adjusting the temperature and the tint a little bit to get rid of those greens and bring out the reds, the photo is done. Now you'll notice in my Instagram version of this photo, I've edited the light so it looks like it's on. Now I used Photoshop for desktop, but you can use Photoshop Mobile, it's always as good. But if you just import the image and then get an image of a light and change the blend mode to screen, reposition it and size it until you're happy with it, change the opacity, play around with it, and there you go, it should look something like that. Now the other thing you can do if you want to cool down the image a little bit is when it's in your camera roll, I like to use the Vivid Cool, but just bring it down to about 50 or 30 or somewhere around there. But that's only if you want to. I think it's fine without it. But there we go. That is how you take an image like this and turn it into this. Remember, if you would like to message me about presets and things like that, drop me a message on Instagram. I reply to everyone. But thanks for watching.